Okay, so we're going to harvest our potatoes today. We don't know what's in there yet. I guess we'll find out soon enough. It is August 29th. So we brought a 5-gallon bucket because we're believers.
You know, I think this is the one that we already harvested earlier. We just replanted the plant again.
Okay.
Because it had little ones.
Well, we better do better than that or we're never going to make the 5-gallon bucket. 3 little potatoes. Don't get too close. Yeah, it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. We're having a real smoky, cloudy, windy, dusty day. So alright, so let's see if we got anything else in here. I think I harvested them too early. Yeah, way too early.
This could be replanted.
Well, replant it. I don't think they're ready like I've been telling you.
Just like we did with that other one. Replanted.
So you're going to try that one there? That's red potatoes.